On this episode of Cooking with Gayden, we're loading trailers on trailers. And this is how you do it, folks. What you're going to want to do
No, that's not right.
What you're going to want to do is get you a big old trailer to put your little trailer on. Now, after you got your big old trailer hooked up to your truck, you're going to take yourself one of them there side-by-side trailer loaders, and then you're going to get in it, and we're going to drive her on it. Nice and easy.
You ready?
All right, stay with me now. Stay with me. What you're gonna want to do is just get you a little bit more air. Let me see that airplane right there.
Yeah, sure. I got it.
Here, turn it on, Liam. Hit the little button.
All right, now you don't want to do that. We're gonna readjust real quick.